Hi, today's topic is what obesity can cause to our health. Morbidly obese people, what are the effects of obesity on health? See, if you go to any doctor, they will say reduce your weight. You go to a physician, cardiologist, or gynecologist, or pulmonologist, or even a general surgeon, they say reduce your weight. The reason being, the obesity can lead to a lot of diseases. Directly, they are related to a lot of diseases like diabetes, hypertension, asthma, wheezing. So we'll see what are the diseases directly related to because of our own weight. The first we can say is, the foremost we can say is breathing troubles. It can give us very labored breathing. Normally we don't feel our own breathing, but even to breathe they have to put effort. Same way sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is nothing but sudden cessation or maybe a high carbon cessation of breathing or high carbon dioxide level in the brain during sleep. So what happens? The brain is always active. So the brain will not take proper rest. So leading to next day sleeping, or they will be irritated, headache, lack of concentration, or even sometimes when the breathing completely stops during sleep, death. Sleep apnea is a really dangerous condition because of the morbid obesity. Even people snore a lot because of the overweight. Our nasal passages are covered with a lot of fat, so the air passage becomes lesser, so they snore a lot. And because of morbid obesity, they can get hypertension. Because of the hypertension, they can have complication of hypertension like stroke. Stroke means blood can leak anywhere in the brain or anywhere in the body. It can lead to hypertension. Morbid obesity can lead to hypertension. See, normally, suppose the body will secrete insulin for their correct body weight, but if they are overweight, body cannot produce that much of insulin. Or sometimes the pancreas overworks and it's worn out over a period of time, producing a lot of insulin to reduce the sugar, and they can easily get diabetes, especially in younger age itself. And cholesterol, there are good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Especially bad cholesterol can increase, LDL and triglycerides increase, so they can form blockage in the hearts. And even somebody is overweight, they have to pass a lot of urine. So because the weight puts pressure on the urinary bladder, so they have to pass frequent urination. That can lead to urinary tract infection. Even they get a lot of skin problem. Even they may not be able to wash themselves properly, especially after using the toilet. They may not be able to wash properly, so skin infections are very common. And the same way, they can get they are more prone for infertility, lack of interest in sex, because sex itself becomes a major work for them. They naturally the libido, the interest comes down, and the hormones, sexual hormones, instead of being in the sexual organs, they are deposited in the fat. So the sperm count can come down. Even they can have erectile dysfunction. Women have irregular cycles, and for women's for them because of obesity, because of suppose they have a huge chunk of thigh and other things, they sweat a lot, that can lead to urinary tract infections. And very importantly, other things are all, even if you have a high fat content in the body because of your morbid obesity, they are prone for certain cancers. Like colon cancer is very much directly connected to obesity. Like the same way, breast cancer and uterus cancers, they are directly related to morbid obesity. Even your kidney is under stress. Suppose somebody is 60 kg, the workload for the kidney is very less, but somebody is the same height. If suppose they are 80 kg, the workload on the kidney is more, so they can easily get kidney problems. So it is always prudent to keep our weight at the right level, keep ourselves fit so that our health is not affected by obesity. Thank you.